Forget everything you know about luxury campers, because the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is about to blow your mind. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling 5-star hotel packed with futuristic technology and unbelievable comfort. Wait until you see the insane interior hidden inside this giant machine. And if you love luxury vehicles and epic adventures, subscribe to Drive Drift 23 and join us for more incredible automotive content. Combining Cadillac's legendary luxury with the practicality of a high-end RV, this futuristic machine is designed for travelers who want comfort, style, and adventure all in one package. From its striking exterior to its advanced technology, the Cadillac Motorhome takes road trips to a whole new level. At first glance, the motorhome immediately grabs attention with Cadillac's signature design. A massive illuminated grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sleek body lines give it a bold and premium appearance. Chrome accents and glowing Cadillac badges add an extra layer of sophistication, while the huge panoramic windows not only improve visibility but also make the vehicle look modern and elegant. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful hybrid powertrain, possibly combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with electric motors to produce more than 700 horsepower. Despite its massive size, this luxurious camper promises smooth acceleration, excellent towing capability, and stable highway performance. An intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures confidence on mountain roads, snowy trails, and desert terrain. Step inside the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, and you'll quickly realize that Cadillac has completely reimagined luxury travel. The interior feels less like an RV and more like a 5-star penthouse on wheels. Premium leather seats, handcrafted wood trim, brushed aluminum details, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The spacious living room is designed around plush reclining seats and a giant entertainment screen paired with a premium surround sound system. Hidden storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, maximizing space without sacrificing style. Massive windows fill the interior with natural light during the day, while the panoramic roof offers breathtaking views of the night sky. The kitchen is equally impressive. Cadillac has included marble countertops, induction cooktops, a full-size refrigerator, a microwave oven, and smart appliances that can be controlled remotely. Touch-sensitive cabinets and soft-close drawers add a premium touch, making meal preparation feel effortless. Next to the kitchen is a luxurious dining area featuring a stylish table and comfortable seating for family and friends. Adjustable lighting allows passengers to create the perfect atmosphere for everything from breakfast to late-night conversations. Wireless charging pads and multiple USB-C ports ensure that everyone's devices stay powered. The master bedroom is designed for maximum comfort, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, climate-controlled settings, designer bedding, and spacious wardrobes. Advanced soundproofing technology creates a peaceful environment, allowing passengers to enjoy restful sleep wherever they travel. The bathroom rivals those found in luxury hotels. It includes a large walk-in shower with rainfall shower heads, heated floors, illuminated mirrors, and premium fixtures. Smart water management systems help conserve resources without compromising comfort. For larger families, convertible sofas and retractable beds provide additional sleeping space. Cadillac has also added air purification systems and independent climate zones, allowing every passenger to enjoy personalized comfort. The result is an interior that combines innovation, practicality, and world-class luxury, making every journey feel unforgettable. To improve comfort, Cadillac has equipped the motorhome with adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts to different road conditions. Advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and automatic parking make driving this giant vehicle surprisingly easy. Inside the cockpit, a giant curved display stretches across the dashboard, combining navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information into one futuristic interface. Voice-controlled artificial intelligence allows drivers to adjust lighting, climate settings, and media without taking their hands off the wheel. High-speed satellite internet keeps passengers connected even in remote locations. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome also features expandable side panels that create additional living space when parked. Exterior entertainment systems, retractable awnings, built-in speakers, and stylish outdoor lighting make it perfect for relaxing under the stars. More than just a camper, this vehicle is a luxury hotel on wheels. Forget everything you know about luxury campers, because the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is on another level. From a futuristic design to a 5-star hotel interior, this beast has it all. But wait until you see what's hidden inside. It's something you've probably never seen before. Let's take a closer look. Enjoying the ride? Subscribe to Drive Drift 23 for more amazing luxury campers, futuristic vehicles, and epic automotive adventures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just designed for luxury, it is engineered to make long-distance travel easier and more enjoyable than ever before. One of its most impressive features is its smart energy management system, which combines powerful batteries with advanced solar panels installed on the roof. These solar panels help power the interior lighting, entertainment systems, kitchen appliances, and climate controls, reducing the need for external power sources during camping trips. For travelers who enjoy off-grid adventures, this technology makes the motorhome far more practical and environmentally friendly. Storage is another area where Cadillac has gone above and beyond. Traditional campers often struggle with limited space, but this motorhome offers numerous hidden compartments throughout the cabin. Large underfloor storage areas can accommodate luggage, sports equipment, camping gear, and even small electric bikes. The exterior cargo compartments are electronically operated, allowing owners to access their belongings with the touch of a button. The driver and passenger seats are designed with comfort in mind, featuring multiple adjustment options, heating, cooling, and massage functions. These seats ensure that even the longest journeys remain relaxing. Cadillac has also integrated memory settings, allowing different drivers to save their preferred seat positions and dashboard configurations. Acoustic insulation technology significantly reduces road and wind noise, creating an exceptionally quiet cabin experience. Entertainment is a major focus inside the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. In addition to the massive central display, passengers can enjoy multiple high-definition screens placed throughout the vehicle. Streaming services, gaming systems, and wireless connectivity transform the motorhome into a moving entertainment center. A premium speaker system delivers crystal-clear sound, making movie nights and music sessions more immersive. The lighting system deserves special attention as well. Cadillac has introduced customizable ambient lighting with dozens of color options and brightness levels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe Drive Drift 23 for enjoying new trucks and motorhome.